Knaus Boxstar 540 Road. Is this the Boxstar of the campervan world? My name's Pete, welcome to We Buy a Motor Caravan. Let me show you around this little 540 beauty. When you have a look at the Boxstar 540, it's like a really big motorhome that's been in a hot wash. It's called the 540 because it's only 5 meters, 40 centimeters in length. This is built on the 2.3 120 brake. Beautiful LED lights. The colour is very Marmite. You're either going to love it or hate it. Personally, I like it. Our camera girl, she hates it. So it is very, very Marmite. But I do love the LED lighting. It's got a huge awning on it as well for something of this size. It's probably a normal size awning, just on a little smaller body. When you get to the back of the Knaus, again, it's beautiful, it's sleek. But when you go around the North Coast 500, the best is you can reverse up to those sunsets and just watch them from your bed. Look at that. It's also got a huge payload. Look at the under storage here. You can sleep a small child under here. There we go. I've slept in worse, and it's also got a 640 kilogram payload. The sleek lines to the outside, you've got your cassette toilet there, and it all just fits and feels rather nice. It's a little tiny. Shall I show you inside though? It's got a lot going on. Come on. You have got a big double bed at the back here. You can fold it up and take out the middle slat so you can put your bikes down the middle if you wanted to. Personally, I'd just get some fold-up bikes, shove them through the back door. That's what I would do. It's really comfortable. The light switches are very innovative. That's not an easy word to say. And you just touch these, look, touch, off it goes. You have got a lot of cupboard space. Now, my favourite bit about this Knaus Boxstar is absolutely pointless, but it's brilliant. You've got this little wee remote control. You can see that's red, green, blue, or you can do a bit of a disco. I love it. It is ridiculously pointless. Isn't it fun? Look at that. With it only being 540, space is a bit of a premium, as you can tell. My elbow does not come for free with this motorhome, but you do have a good kitchen area with lots of prep space and a little extra chopping board there. And you can get to the underslide bits with a bit of Jenga. Do you remember Jenga? No, Tetris. It's more like Tetris than Jenga, to be fair. Like a big adult version of Tetris. Yeah. Like I've already said, you've got a good working space in the kitchen. The lights are very intuitive. You know exactly what's going on with the lights. So that's all nice and easy. And you've got good cupboard space for a very small van as well. You've got a little bit going on everywhere on it, and it all clinks and clucks together quite nicely. The other bit that I like is if you're getting out of bed for a beer or a gin, you can go that way. But if you get into the van for a beer or a gin and you've been sat outside, you can get into the fridge that way. So it opens that way and it opens that way. And the front of it is matched in with the rest of the van. So it matches and it swings both ways. So the bathroom, as you get off your bed, jumping off the bed, is right here. And it's really bright, as you will see. It is really bright, but again, you've got good features like the mirror will slide one way and then you have to push it and it'll slide the other, and you've got good areas to keep your stuff, your bathroom stuff, and it's all very practical and usable. And you can have a wee and a shower. You can even have a sit down wee and a shower all at the same time. Another really cool bit about the Knaus 540 Boxstar Road is that you have got 4 belts. It is only 2 berth unless you're sleeping people under the bed, but that's technically not legally allowed, I don't think. Good table so you can eat your dinner. You will be very close to your partner, so do make sure you like them before this happens. But if you don't like them, you can sit them in the driver's seat, spin the driver's seat round, spin this round, and then they've got their table there. Huh? How's that? The cab is your standard Fiat Ducato cab. This particular one is the 6-speed manual with cab aircon, an upgraded Pioneer head unit, which does come with navigation as well. Again, now think of everything really. The seating colours I particularly like. I think they're very splashable, if that makes sense. You're not going to get a massive amount of staining on them. Some of the white cream leathers really do worry me a little bit, but that's probably because I'm a father of 3 and 2 of them are 4-year-old. Cab blinds, always a nice touch, and obviously they do go on the side windows as well. Yeah, I just think it's a really nicely put together van. It's not for 4 people, don't get me wrong. You can only sleep 2 people in it, but for 2 people around the north of Scotland, this is the perfect van to be going in. I really like it. This particular one, 2020, you're going to be high-end 50s, possibly early 60s for this van. But I think it's worth it. If ever you wanted to feel like you're in a bird cage, the fly screen is a great touch. To be fair though, it can get warm in vans, as everybody knows. So the fact that you can have the door open but not have the midges come in, perfect North Coast 500 van. My name's Pete. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Little electric step. It's actually a big electric step. It's good for the disco lights. Let's go. Put some music on. Off you go. Round somewhere, wherever you are. Not in a car park in Burton-on-Trent. Anyway, laters.